Hello everyone. In this video, we will be continuing exercise 16.2. Right? In previous two videos, we were doing this exercise only. We completed question number 1 to question number 5. Now today we'll see question number 6. Question number 6 says, draw a double bar graph for the following data. This data is given to you and you need to draw a double bar graph for this data. Right. So here for class 6, two type of favorite movies, generally it is given action and comedy. So for grade 6, grade 7, grade 8, it is given. So what is our first step to draw a bar graph, whether it is double bar graph or not? First step is to draw the axis. Okay. So now, yes, we have drawn x-axis. Now we'll draw the y-axis. Right. Now on the x-axis, we have written class 6, class 7, and class 8. Right here you can see we have written, why we have written in two columns, because we need to draw double bar graph. So as we will take two columns, we will use two column. So that is why we have written in two columns. See, you can see here, and the gap between them, this one or this, it is same. Right. Okay. So now on x-axis, if you see, sorry, on y-axis, if you see, we have to write the number of students. So 10, 4, 17, 7, 12, 8. If I take individual, it means if I take 1 centimeter equals to 1 student, then it will go too long till 17, right? And we need to take care that our graph should not be too small or too big. So if I take here 1 centimeter equals to 2 sprints, then it will be easy for us to draw the graph. Okay, so let's take scale. 1 centimeter equals to 2 students, right? Now let's write the number on the y-axis. So yes, so it's 0, then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, right? Now, after drawing this, as you have to draw two double bar graph, okay? Action and comedy, two things. So if I will draw the graph, then how you will identify that which one is which? Right, so for that I need to mention here that yes, whatever the white graph or white bar will be there, it is representing action, and if blue bar is there, it is representing comedy. Right? Okay, so now let's start. For class 6, you can see action is 10. Okay, so where is 10? 10 is here. So you can see we have drawn bar till 10. Now for comedy, grade 6, it is 4. Yes, till 4. Right? For grade 7, action 17, 17, 17. Yes, 17 will come between 16 and 18, right? Somewhere here. Okay, so let's draw. Yes, 17. Now comedy 7. 7 will come between 6 and 8. Okay, so it will come nearby here. Yes. Now next for class 8, action 12. 12, 12, 12. 12 will come here. It's 12. Yes. And now comedy 8. So comedy 8. Yes. So like this we have drawn. Now, what is the last thing left? Last thing is to label this whole graph, right? So let's label this whole graph here. Yes, it is what? Favorite movie genre of the students. So like this, we have drawn this double bar graph and we have labeled the graph. So this question is over. Now let's move to next question. Yes. Next question says, draw a bar graph for the hours of a part-timer worked in a shop. Okay, so here hours worked, it is mentioned that yes, May 80 hours, June 60 hours, July 40 hours. Like that these hours are mentioned, we need to draw the graph. What is the first step? First step is to draw axis. Yes, x-axis, y-axis. Very good. Now on x-axis, what we are going to take? We are going to take these month. Right? May, June, July, August, September, October. Right? Now, on y-axis, you can see it is numbers are 80 or hours are 80, 60, 40, 150, 120, 110. So, which number will best suits all these? So, if we take scale as 1 centimeter equals to 20 hours, it will be easy for us to mark all those points. Okay? So let's mark all those points. So 0. Here we are writing hours. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, and 180. Right? Now, okay, for May month, it is 80 hours. So for May month, 80 hours. Yes, here. Okay. So 80 hours. Now for June month, it is 60 hours. 60 here. So for June month, 60 hours. For July, 40 hours. So here July 40 hours. So July 40 hours. August 150. So 150 will come between 140 and 160. This one point will be 150. Okay. So yes, we have drawn till 150. September 120. So this one point is 120. Right. So we'll draw this 120. Next, October 110. 110 will come between 100 and 120. This one. Okay. So yes, you can see we have drawn. Right. Now last what thing is left? Labeling the whole graph. So here it is hours worked. So like this we have labeled whole graph. Now let's move to next question. Draw a bar graph for the following data where number of visitors to a mall in 6 days are mentioned. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And these number of visitors are mentioned. So now let's draw. First step is to draw the axis. X-axis and Y-axis. Okay. Now on X-axis, what we have to write? We have to write number of visitors. Sorry, on x-axis we'll write number of days. Yes, that we have already written. Now on y-axis we will write number of visitors. So how we will write? 860, 1800, 540. Again, you need to take a number which best suit this. So what scaling we will take? We will take 1 centimeter equals to 200 visitors. Right? Okay, so let's write this on y-axis, number of visitors and then the numbers. The number of visitors now 0, 200, 400, 600, 800, 1000, 200, 1400, 1600, 1800, 2000, 2200, 2400, 2600. So like this, we have written all these numbers. Okay. Now let's draw the bars. Monday, it is 860. So now 800 and then between one 900 and then here 1000. So 860 will come between 800 and 900. It means somewhere around here. Yes. Okay. Now Tuesday 1800. So 1800 here. So for Tuesday we have drawn the bar till 1800. Now Wednesday it is 540. So 500 will come between 400 and 600. So it is 540 means it will come till here. Yes. Thursday it is 300. 300 will come between 200 and 400. Okay, so it is 300. Good. Now Friday 1250. Now see 1200 and this one will be 1300. 1250 means it will come between them. Okay, so let's draw. Yes, we have drawn between them. Now Saturday 2500. 2500 will come between 2400 and 2600. So this is basically 2500. Yes, we have drawn. Now last step. What is the last step? Need to label whole graph. So label the whole graph. What is this graph all about? It is about number of visitors to a mall in 6 days. Okay. So with this exercise 16.2 is over. So that's all for this video. In next video, we will be continuing this chapter only with probability. So till then, bye-bye. Take care and do revise.